And to get us started, we have this email from Jill from Denver, Colorado. She writes, "Hi, doctors. My husband and I are debating whether or not to attend our first swingers party.
Wow.
What's your take on them? I need a drink before we talk about this." Swingers parties, just in case people come from the dark ages, are when couples go to a party and they mix and mingle and sometimes mingle with their clothes off. How's that sound?
And I think it
With other
started
people?
in the 60s.
With other couples. Couples choose other
I think
people.
it started
Those
in the
key
60s.
parties, right?
Right.
In the 70s?
And I was there.
Well, wait a second, wait. Hold on, we have some professionals in the
Well,
audience.
if you're married,
Drew wants to go by himself.
Hold on.
on.
Everyone, cool your jets. And let me introduce our guests who can give us some expert advice. Scott and Nicolette are in the audience. They run a swingers website.
We're going to defer to the experts.
What does that even consist of? Because Dr. Orden really wants to know. So, please.
Well, we run one of the largest swinger websites in the world, Cassidy.com. We have tens of thousands of members all over the place. The email that you read is fantastic. And the reason it's perfect is because it's from the wife, not from the guy.
Because this lifestyle we're in, the swinging lifestyle, is female empowering, and actually girls rule. We decide what's going on, if we want to play, what we want to wear. You know, we're in charge.
So are you doing the choosing of the couple?
Correct.
What about the integrity of the relationship?
When you are new and starting the lifestyle, there are a few things you need to know. First of all, you have to communicate before you go. Talk a lot about what to expect, what you're going to do, what you're not going to do, what your boundaries are, and how good is your relationship. If your relationship isn't strong, don't go. Exactly what you're suggesting. Swinging will obliterate a relationship that has problems. It will accelerate what may be the inevitable anyhow with your relationship. But if you have a good relationship, if you're strong as a couple, swinging will make it better.
Okay, but can I just... I'm that kid from the Midwest. I grew up fairly conservative, and I still believe in being faithful to your companion. And so I'm going to challenge one concept here. And that is, you go to swingers parties, and someone gets pregnant. Do you go into Maury Povich and say, "Who's the father?" I personally could not take that. I mean,
I have something. Maybe you've seen these before?
Oh, condoms.
not 100% effective.
That's true.
100% effective, and you still have the risk of STDs.
So the takeaway here, as we wrap this up, because we have to go on to other parties, is that it's certainly not for everybody.